Hi guys, today we are with a sonnet. Sonnet number 18 of William Shakespeare. The sonnet is titled, all the sonnets are titled with the first line of the poem. So the title of the poem is Shall I Compare Thee to a Summer's Day. This is an important poem of West Bengal Board of Higher Secondary Council and Kolkata University, first sem poem. Now go through the poem. Shall I compare thee to a summer's day? Shall I compare thee to a summer's day? Thou art more lovely and more temperate. Rough winds do shake the darling birds of May, and summer's lease hath all too short a date. Now second quatrain. Sometimes to it the eye of heaven shines, and often is his gold complexion dimmed, and every fair from fair sometimes decline by chance. Are nature's changing course untrimmed? Now quatrain 3. But thy eternal summer shall not fade, nor lose possess of that fear thou wast, nor shall death brag thou wanderest in his shade, when in eternal lines to time thou growest. Now the rhyming couplet, last word. So long as man can breathe and his eye can see, so long lives this and this gives life to thee. That's the poem, that's the sonnet. So what sonnet? Sonnet is a poem of 40 lines with a special rhyme scheme. Now here the substance. You have to answer the 6 mark questions, the theme, central idea or substance. You have to say William Shakespeare is a versatile writer. He is the greatest of English poets. His masterpiece in plot making, blank verse, soliloquy, disguise and freestyle writing. The source of the poem, William Shakespeare's only poem, the sonnets never imprinted. This is not a Petrarchan but a Shakespearean or an unconventional sonnet. All 154 sonnets are from the series of William Shakespeare sonnets never before imprinted. The poem, this sonnet, sonnet number 18, is written for his fair friend Earl of Pembroke, William Herbert. Here the poet has glorifies the beauty of his fair friend. According to the poet, his friend's beauty is more attractive and more lasting than lovely summer's days. Now the poet wants to make his friend's beauty immortalize. He is an idealist, wants to celebrate the love and endless power of poetry. The poet will confer everlasting beauty on his friend's name. Here, the sonnet series, William Shakespeare has written only one sonnet series and only 37 plays, and he is famous all over the world. The 154 sonnets are divided in this part: 1 to 126 addressed to his fair young friend William Herbert, Earl of Pembroke; 127 to 152 addressed to an unknown dark lady; and the last 2 sonnets, 153 and 154, to Roman goddess, maybe Venus. Here few short questions will cover whole the chapter. Who is the poet of the poem? Versatile poet William Shakespeare. Number 2, where was the poet born? The poet was born in England, the bird of Avon. What kind of writing is this? This is an unconventional sonnet. What is sonnet? Sonnet is a poem of 14 lines with a special rhyme scheme. What is the rhyme scheme of the poem? The rhyme scheme is ABAB, CDCD, EFF and GG. What is simile? Simile is direct comparison with the use of words like, as, etc. What is metaphor? Metaphor is like simile but hidden comparison. What is personification? In personification, inanimate objects or ideas are animated, like eye of heaven. The sun is animated. Whom did the poet write the poem for? The poet writes the poem for his fair friend William Herbert, Earl of Pembroke. What is the source of the sonnets? The source, William Shakespeare's sonnet, never before imprinted. Who is I? I is the poet William Shakespeare himself. Who is thee? Thee, the poet's friend William Herbert. Who is compared with whom? The poet's fair friend is compared with summer days, lovely summer days. What are good qualities of thee? Thee, that means poet's friend. Soothing, always fair, always lovely, temperate, don't destroy the birds. What are bad qualities of summer? Bad qualities of summer are, it is too short, limited. It is temperate. Its eye cannot soothing. We cannot talk, touch, or always look at the summer's eye. And the summer is also not so friendly. The gold complexion of summer may dimmed with the clouds or fogs. Which are the biblical words? The biblical words are thee, that means you, the friend. Thou art, you are, the friend is. Hath, that means has. Thy, that means your, the friends. What is the eye of heaven? Eye of heaven is the sun. What is temperate? Temperate. The poet's friend is temperate. What is summer's lease? Summer's lease, that means summer is very short. Ownst, O-W apostrophe S-T, that means own, that means personal, belonging, the poet's friend's quality. What is brag? B-O-A-S-T, boast, B-R-A-G-G-A-S-T, that means pride, death's pride. I will kill every mortal things. The summer is immortal, but all human beings are mortal. So the summer, the season, the death is in the brag. What is wanderest? That means wander, roam aimlessly. What is gold complexion? Gold complexion is the fair or golden color. It is dimmed by the cloud or fog. What is death back? That means pride of death. How will the poet immortalize the poet's friend? The poet will immortalize his loving friend with his everlasting poems. That's all. Goodbye.